Okay, children, now we'll do the reading part. Name the smallest insect you have seen. And the wisest? Is it fly? No, it is not. Is it mosquito? No, it's not the mosquito either. Then it must be the earthworm, the farmer's friend. No, none of these. It is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue, but people have kept ants as pets. So, and watched their daily behavior closely. So, we know some very impressive facts about this tiny, hardworking, and intelligent creature. An ant uses its feelers or antenna to talk to other ants by passing messages through them. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Each ant greets all the others, coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. We have seen them since we were children, but haven't paid enough attention to them. Where do they live? As you are watching in a row, they are walking in their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lays eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. Workers have their reserved quarters. They spend most of the time searching for food. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food. Soldiers have separate barracks. No worker has ever entered the other's rooms. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. So, you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer day when the queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant called a drone high up in the air. On its return to earth, it gets rid of its wings and then does nothing but lay eggs. You can see in these pictures how workers, different ants, queen ant, and how finally it get rid of its wing. Eggs hatch and the grubs come out. Soldiers guard them, workers feed and clean them, and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise, and sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. And now it's time for teaching and training. New ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks training, the young ones are ready to go out into the big old world of work. You can see in the pictures also how inside the cocoon the ant is coming out. An anthill is a home not only for ants but also for other creatures, beetles, lesser breeds of ants, and the greenfly. Why do ants allow these creatures to live in their nests? For several reasons. Some give off smell pleasant to the ants' senses, others give sweet juices, and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs are to humans. Ants train the greenfly to give honeydew like milk with a touch of their antenna. Ants milk the greenfly just as we milk the cow. See the pictures, beetles, greenflies, how they are doing. So, children, have humans learned as much as ants? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put all their learning entirely to good use. We still learn a few things from this tiny teacher: hard work, sense of duty, and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. So, children, the tiny teacher itself depicts the smallest creature but intelligent. Theme of the lesson: life of an ant, its nature, and biology. So, children, enjoy. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe, but use your time for your studies also. Once again, stay home, stay safe.